Which TV backlight LED strip is actually worth your money? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit to find what really works. Today, we're looking at 5 affordable options that can transform your viewing experience.
Product number 1, Govee RGB IC LED strip lights. Let's kick things off with the Govee RGB IC LED strip lights. Priced at just $14.99, it caught my eye with its ability to display multiple colors on one line. If you want vibrant, customizable lighting for your space, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The RGB IC feature allows for a striking visual display, making it perfect for parties or movie nights. You can connect it to the Govee Home app, which opens up a world of possibilities, such as 16 million colors, adjustable brightness, and even music sync capabilities. It's pretty impressive that over 10,000 of these have been sold in the past month, which speaks volumes about its popularity. Now, some people complained about the installation process, saying the adhesive isn't strong enough. Here's the thing though, as long as you wipe the surface well before applying, I found it sticks just fine. It might not be for you if you're looking for outdoor lighting, but for indoor use, it shines. This is perfect for you if you want to enhance your gaming or movie experience at a low cost. Skip this one if you need something for outdoor use. Overall, it's a solid value for the money.
Product number 2, Govee TV Backlight 3 Lite, priced at $74.99. This one really stands out with its fisheye correction function that syncs colors to your 55 to 65-inch TV. If you want to elevate your home theater experience, this is definitely worth your consideration. What's great about this product is its upgraded Govee and visual technology. It enhances color matching, so you get a more immersive viewing experience. The camera captures the screen colors accurately, which is essential for anyone who loves watching movies or gaming. Plus, it connects to your Wi-Fi, meaning you can control it through voice commands or the app. With 9,000 units sold recently, it's clear that many people appreciate this feature. Some users pointed out that it can be tricky to install, especially on ultra-thin TVs. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, the gravitational hanging design makes it easier than it seems. If you're not into techie installations, this might be a bit frustrating, but the payoff is worth it. This is perfect for you if you love watching immersive movies or gaming on a big screen. Skip this if you prefer a simpler setup without all the tech features. It's a bit pricier, but for what you get, it's a solid investment.
Product number 3, Cantito LED lights for TV. Let's check out the Cantito LED lights for TV at just $9.99. This product really caught my attention for its affordability and fun features. If you want vibrant colors without breaking the bank, this is a great option. This 16.4-foot strip offers a whopping 16 million colors, ensuring you have plenty of choices for mood lighting. The Bluetooth op control is a nice touch and allows you to sync the lights to music, creating a lively atmosphere. Whether you're hosting a party or just chilling at home, it can enhance your experience without any fuss. With over 5,000 units sold recently, it's clearly popular among budget-conscious buyers. However, some users have mentioned that the adhesive could be stronger. Here's the thing, while that can be a drawback, the price makes it hard to complain too much. Just make sure you prep the surface well and you should be fine. This is perfect for you if you want colorful lighting on a budget. Skip this if you need something with advanced features, but if you're after simplicity, it's a steal.
Product number 4, Govee TV LED Backlight. We have the Govee TV LED Backlight. This product is designed specifically for 55 to 65-inch TVs, and its RGB IC technology really caught my eye. If you're looking for dynamic lighting that syncs with your content, this is worth your attention. The RGB IC feature allows for color segmentation, meaning you get a more vibrant and immersive experience. The app control is super handy, letting you choose from over 99 preset scenes and 11 music modes, so you can set the mood for any occasion. The fact that it supports both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi adds to its convenience, and it's no surprise that it has also sold around 5,000 units in the past month. On the downside, some users reported that it doesn't capture colors automatically as expected, but honestly, considering how easy it is to set up and the vibrant effects you get, it feels like a minor issue. If you're not tech savvy, it might be a bit of a hassle. This is perfect for you if you want something versatile and fun for your viewing experience. Skip this if you're looking for a plug-and-play option without any tech setup, but overall, it's a great choice.
Product number 5, KSIPZ LED lights for TV. We have the KSIPZ LED lights for TV, priced at only $9.97. What I like about this one is how easy it is to set up and use. If you're after convenience without sacrificing quality, this strip could be the one for you. The instant setup is a major plus. You just plug it in and it's ready to go. It features Bluetooth controls and offers 16 plus colors along with dynamic modes like strobe and fade. This flexibility means you can easily switch up your lighting for movie nights, gaming, or any gathering. With around 4,000 units sold recently, it's clear that many find it a practical choice. However, some reviews mention that the brightness could be better. But let's be real, for the price point, you're still getting a solid product that can enhance your space without breaking the bank. If you're looking for a super bright light, this might not be it. This is perfect for you if you want something simple and effective for casual use. Skip this if you're after higher-end features, but for basic lighting, it offers great value. We have the Govee RGB IC LED strip lights for vibrant options, the Govee TV Backlight 3 light for advanced syncing, Cantu Toe for budget-friendly fun, Govee TV LED backlight for dynamic effects, and KSIPZ for easy setup. Each of these strips has its strengths and weaknesses, but they all offer great value for their price. Choose the one that fits your needs best and enjoy the added ambiance.